Hi guys, this is Kapil from InfoGiants and welcome to our tech show. So today I'll be demonstrating about our new product which is free available, which will be available free on our website. So before launching, I want to just give a sneak peek or a just quick demo of the product. It is basically a project management software and it can be used by freelancers or some of the small business or individuals for managing their projects and clients. It is built on the PHP framework Laravel 7. So we have our digital agency website infogiants.com. There I provide the software development services, and I'll be launching or adding this product to this website in the free buys in the upcoming days. So you can just easily get the product free. So before starting that, you can visit website and check out the cool products, free stuff, and if you are a developer or technical guy, you can check out our blog as well. And if you have any customized development request, you can connect us on contact us page or request code page, so we can get back to you with the estimates and we can start your project. So let's start without getting delayed to our product demo. So right now I am having this product demo on my system. So this is the landing page. You can put your content of our product. You can update it later. So all this content is right now just informative content. We have a login and a client registration page. So using this login page, both admin and client can log in. And the client registration page is designed for the clients that you have for your projects. So you can ask your client to register for this from this page, or you can add them into the system from the admin panel itself. So let's just check admin panel first. So once you log into the system, initially you will see this dashboard, stores, projects, categories, users. And these graphs are right now not operational. These are just display purpose only. So store is the basic entity. In store, you can add your company or your profile, like if you have any website, something like that, it will be displayed to your client's dashboard. So let me just add it here. Let's select some of this information. Let's copy our business information here. Let's put our contact details and address. All right, so let me give the permission to this folder. It is due to permission. This is not looking so good. So let's update this logo once again. Might be I will check it out, or we can check it right away. Just allow me a sec. We need to follow the installation procedure here. So let me just remove the storage part, and we need to generate the storage folder again and install the application. And I believe it will work now. So let's just check now. Yeah, you can see the logo here, store logo. So it was the just installation procedure that we follow. I'll be providing those details more on our product demo or product launch. So after that, you have the project section. In this, you have all the projects in progress and the completed projects. And it is the listing of the projects. So when you click on add new project, you can either choose if it is a fixed price or hourly basis. Second thing is project status. Right now it is in progress or completed. You can choose the project category from here. You can define the project name like project. You can select the client. Like for adding client, you can add those clients from the user section. When you click on add new user, you can add the name, email of your client. You can select your password. You can assign the role user to your client. Remember, you can assign only user role. If you assign admin, they will be able to manage everything. So remember, you can assign user. If you want to an admin user, by the same form you can assign the role admin. So by I have already populated one user in system for demo purpose. So like the project page, add new project. Let's choose the client user. Let's right now the currencies are also static here. We can update that later like dynamic for the project basis. So I choose the project budget is 10,000 that I discussed with the client. I can choose the start date is today, end date we can fill later now, and we can add here project details and description. Okay. After that, we can click on add project. We need to choose category. We need to choose client. All right. So once project is created, you will see these options. Manage edit details and details. So since you assign this project to user one, so let's check from perspective. Let's log into user dashboard at the same time to see how it is looking to a user or a client. So since we have already added the client in system, so if we can share the details with them, they can directly log in into the system. If they do not have we do not have the user or client in the system, they can register through the register link, which is this link. And for after registration, they will get an email to verify if they have registered the account or not. Once they click on the email, for example, let me tell you, we can do that like user one at the rate medinator.com. Password is user one. Let's register a new user one at the rate medinator.com. Password we are user one and user one. Okay, password is user 123456. User 123456. So once you click on the register button, it will shoot for an email. But right now, you can see the email is not configured, so it will show some error. So let's just go with the user that we have here. When we log in through the existing user account, you can see the user dashboard or client dashboard. There you can see one project is assigned to the client. It is also showing our store information here. The information is like the website, logo, name, about us, contact number, address, and store status. This is an important thing. Like we can manage our store status. Like when you click on this, when you edit your store, there you can enable or disable the store on a particular day. If you are closed someday, you can disable it. When you update it, when your clients will see their dashboard, they will get to know that we are not working today or someday. So this is the one thing important thing. So let's just update to the that we are working. So we are enabled and update. So let's just click this. We are working in operational. So you can put this informative message that you are working or not, and it will be updated to your client dashboard right away. So let's move to the project section for the user. So user will be seeing the project is assigned to him, or he has one project going with us, and the budget and the project pricing type, status. He can manage it, but he cannot edit the details of the project or cannot delete the project since it is only managed by the administrator. The edit details and delete is managed by the administrator or the freelancer or the company. Only user can see, like he can manage it. When he click on the manages, there is a common page. It is similar to the what admin has. Let's go to the admin screen. There, if admin also click on the manage, you will see all these data. In admin, there is one important feature which client it is assigned to. So you can click on the client, you will find the details of the client. You can go back. So you can find out this project is assigned to a particular user from the here. When you click on manage, these are the details of the project status, fixed price, start date, end date, description. Now the second thing when a project is created is tasks or the work that we need to do. So we have the all tasks in progress, completed, to do tasks, and the project documents, the documents or files attached to a project. So we have the statics of these things here. Similar things are available to a client as well. When client see, he can also see these details. The second thing is project task. So when you client or admin both can create tasks, and they will have their own right. If client created a task, he can only delete it and he can only edit it. If an admin created a task, then he can only edit or delete it, but the comments on the task can be done by both users. So when user or client both click on add task button, he can add the title, status of the task, description, and save it. It is this same feature is available for the admin as well. So let's create a task from admin side. Task one, it's in status to do task one description. So after that, we click on save button. The task added successfully. You see, since admin created this task, he sees all manage, edit, and delete option. If we see the same page for the client, like this is the client dashboard, projects, manage. He will be able to see only manage, and it is created by admin, not the client, so he can only manage it. When client or admin click on the manage button, they will see the task information like task detail, status, description, and they can attach the task document to task and can add their comment if they want to communicate or discuss some things on this task. This same page is available to the admin user as well. When we go to the admin can edit the task. Since they created this, they can manage it. On the manage, they will see the same page, but they can delete and add it as well because they created this task. So this is about it. So let's talk about the commenting feature. So let's go to this comments. This is I am working on it, but need some reference URL to this feature. Like as a company or a freelancer, we need some reference which are related to this task, so we can add our comment like 8. It is added by admin on particular time. So notification is right now in progress, so it will not work. But whenever clients see this, when he go to the manage page and click on the particular task, he will see that admin user added some comment. He can reply back to it. All right, go to this URL. So both the client and the freelancer or the business organization can communicate over these tasks. You can see the total number of comments also showing here. Sorry about it. So you can see the total number of comments of the task also showing here to the to both the users and I mean client and the admin. So second thing is they can upload task documents. So let's choose some files from here. This is MP4 file actually that is not supported. So there's only images and docs formats are somewhat supported. So let's upload some PDF if we have. I don't have that PDF right now. So let's upload a image file, PNG file. You see this image file is uploaded by admin. Admin can delete it and download as well. So when you click it, you can download it. Similarly, you can attach as many files as you want for a task. It is also showing the number of files attached with this task, the same information is available to the admin uh, to the admin user as well when he will open this task. And since admin uploaded, he can delete it. But if we go to the particular user, they can just download it. They cannot delete it because it is uploaded by admin, not the client. And if client can also upload the same thing, so if client uploaded, they can delete their own files or documents. So in the same way, they can collaborate with the comments and the documents on a task. Moving back to this is about the task management. So when you go to the projects, manage tasks, you can add as many as tasks as you want. You can set the status of the task as well. All right. So this is about it. And you can also add the project document if you want to attach like the project. What will be the different fees in the project or different document that you want to be attached at the project level? You can do that as well. Similarly, you just need to choose a file and upload it. So let's move to the back to the project, and you will see there are two tasks. There is one project document. Client can also attach the document to the project, and you can see there are two tasks. One is in to do, one is in progress. Zero completed. So let's complete a task. Let's complete a task. Let's change the status of it. Uh, Completed and update it. You'll see here status are upgrading accordingly. One completed, one project document, or to do zero. So all these things are updating here. So this is pretty much you can add as many as project that you want to add. You can add new project here, project two. You can uh, you can you can assign the same client if you have the two projects running with the same client. Or you can assign any other users that you have in the system. Let's choose the different category like Christian Laravel WordPress and yeah, user. All right. So these both projects are assigned to the same user. So you go to the dashboard, you will see two projects are assigned to this user, and he can manage both the projects. There are no tasks assigned right now. In this first project, there are lots of tasks, documents are assigned, and they can communicate with these tasks, and all the stuff. So this is pretty much simple utility. So anyone can manage their client, their projects. For the admin, there are some additional features that we have. One is contacts. So this is right now with the admin only. Admin can manage their contacts. Like sometime as a freelancer, you need to communicate to the design team, testing team, which you don't want to discuss with your clients. So it can be used for the later purpose in this application. We can share it with the client as well if they want to, or we can add some additional support personal details here. So and we can display these information to client dashboard, so they will be able to get back to us on these contact details. So it is just a free module. Another part is utilities. So categories are the project category that you are seeing when you are adding a project, like when you edit it. These categories are managed from here. So you can add new categories from here. You can update the existing category name, etc. Another thing are user roles. So if you are a developer, you are feel free to play with this, but right now for the working of the system, these two roles are required, and do not delete these. If you do that, you need to reinstall and configure everything from scratch as mentioned in the guideline. Permissions is also for advanced modules, so we can restrict the particular access to the particular things. Right now it is not that much of use in the system, but we can later use it. Another part is we have developed a configuration module, so you can create a dynamic path, unique path, and unique values configuration used in this application. It is also not used right now. So these are the advanced modules that we are planning to add in the system. And we are also thinking of adding invoice creation or order creation, or might be right now you can see there is a fixed price project. If you change to hourly, we are thinking of adding to log hour in a project task. So at the task level, uh, client, we can add the hours log and we can calculate the total number of hours, something like that. So right now it is developed with the fixed price. For the fixed price, lots of things are in progress, but it is just a quick sneak peek, and it works very well with the fixed price projects and the client stuff. So that is all from my end, and we have also in to do for this notification. So once a task is done, completed, project is done, completed, we can some notification. If an invoice is created, we can send some notification. So all this stuff we are right now working on. We have also generate reports like how much money you have earned through all these projects. Reporting system also we are working on. So lots of these features will come in future, but right now this is the fixed price best projects. The system is ready to use. You can start using it, and hopefully in the upcoming days or weeks, I'll be uploading this to our InfoGiants website in the free buy section. So right now I'm thinking of releasing it as a free open source software, so you can use it. And later on, with the some pro feature, additional features, we will launch its enterprise edition as well. So that is all from my end. If you have any queries and would like to know about it, or would like to see a demo again, you can request us from our contact us page, which is located when you click on the landing page of the Info Giants. Get started. You can reach out to us by filling these details, your queries. If you want to see a demo, particular thing, or if you want to start a project with us, just submit the query. We will definitely get back to you on one working day. You can reach out to us on different medium. We have like this WhatsApp chat, Skype chat, or you can call us between Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., and we will be happy to assist you. So that is all from my end. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll be sharing this project soon on the website, so you can easily manage your projects and stuff. Thank you very much.